Good morning, my dear class 7 students. We have dealt about algebraic expressions, that is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Today we will be starting with finding the value of an algebraic expression. Exercise 12.3. We will be substituting numerical values for the variables used in the algebraic expression. Let's start with the first question. Finding the value of an algebraic expression. If m equal to 2, find the value of. So in this three expressions, you can see three expressions here. The variable used is m minus 2. Second question is 3m minus 5. Third question is 3m square minus 2m minus 7. So m minus 2, we'll go for the first one. Here, wherever you have m, put the value for m is equal to 2. So, m minus 2, that is 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Now, second one, 3m minus 5. So, what is the meaning of 3m? 3m means 3 into m. So, what is the meaning of 3m? 3m means 3 into m. So, we will put m equal to 2 here. That means 3 into m minus 5. When we put m equal to 2, we will get 3 into 2 minus 5. Students, you know the BODMAS rule. So, first you have to do the multiplication and then subtraction. So, 3 into 2 equal to 6. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. So, when you put the value of m equal to 2 in the algebraic expression 3m minus 5, you get the value of the expression as 1. Third one, 3m square minus 2m minus 7. Okay, third question is 3m square minus 2m minus 7. So, tell me what is the value of 3m square, or how will you execute it? 3m square means 3 into m into m. M square means m into m. So, if you want to find the value of 3m square, you should do 3 into m into m. That means 3 into 2 into 2. Now, what's the value of 2m? 2 into 2. 2m is 2 into 2. So, you will have 2 into 2 here. 7 is a constant. It doesn't have m. So, let it be there. Now, 3 into 2 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. Okay. Now, 2 into 2, 4, 7. Now, 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 7, 1. Once again, students, listen. What is m square? M square is m into m. So, what is 3m square? 3 into m into m. So, it is 3 into 2 into 2 minus 2 into m. 2 into 2, 4. 7 is a constant, so we will put it as such. So, 3 into 2 into 2 is 12. How did you get it? 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 2 into 2 is 4. Then constant 7. From left to right, we will execute 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 7, 1. So, the final answer is 1. This is the case of positive numbers. Here, the value of the variable given to you is a positive integer. Positive integer. The next three problems, you will get the value of a negative integer. Let's go and see that. If p equal to minus 2. Students, this is the very important question from this section. because here you will have confusion about the negative sign. As usual, negative sign is a confusion for you. Now, if p equal to negative 2, find the value of first one 4p plus 7, second one negative 3p square plus 4p plus 7, third one negative 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Here, so we are going to put the value of p as negative 2, negative 2. So 4 into negative 2, 4 into negative 2. What is the answer? Negative 8, negative 8. Now plus 7, negative 8 plus 7. One number is negative, the other number is positive. So you subtract and give larger number sign. So 8 minus 7, 1. Here 8 is having negative sign. So your answer will also have negative sign. So 4 into negative 2 plus 7 is equal to negative 8 plus 7 is equal to negative 1. Now you have negative 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Students, this is not 1, this is 7. Please take care. This is 7. Now, putting p equal to negative 2. Negative 2 we get. Here you can see negative 3 into negative 2 square. Students, see here you have a bracket, negative 2 into negative 2. Negative 2 into negative 2. You should first multiply that. What is negative 2 into negative 2? It is positive 4. You can see it is written here. Negative 2 into negative 2 is positive 4. Then negative 3 into 4 is negative 12. 4 into negative 2, negative 8. Then plus 7, plus 7. As it doesn't have any variable, you have to put it as such. So, what will be the last expression? Negative 12 minus 8 plus 7. This you have learnt in class 6 how to solve this. Negative 12. Both the numbers are negative. So, you will add. You will get negative 20. Negative 20 plus 7. Negative 20 plus 7. You will get negative 13. Next, here you have negative 2p cube minus negative 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Here you have p cube. What do you mean by p cube? P cube means p into p into p. 3 times. P multiplied 3 times. I am not asking you to add p multiplied 3 times. So, negative 2 into negative 2 multiplied 3 times. What is negative 2 multiplied 3 times? Negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2. You will get negative 8. So, you will get negative 2 into negative 8. Students, once again, where did you get this negative 8 from? You got this negative 8 from negative 2 multiplied 3 times. Now, negative 2 into negative 8. It is positive 16. Why did you get it? Negative into negative, positive 2 into 8, 16. Now, you have negative 2 square. What is negative 2 square? Negative 2 into negative 2. It is positive 4. Here, negative 3 into 4 is negative 12. Here, minus 8 plus 7. Here 16 minus 12, 4. 4 minus 8 minus 4 plus 7 equal to 3. Students, this you have to concentrate from your class 6, which you have learnt in the chapter integers. So, By this, we end today's session. Find the value of an algebraic expression. Extremely take care when you handle with negative values. Thank you. Have a nice day.